In this video, we're going to have a look at converting numbers that are written in standard form back to ordinary numbers. Specifically, we're going to have a look at converting big numbers. These are the numbers where our answers are going to be greater than 1 and typically have lots of zeros at the end. To do this, you take the number at the front and multiply it by 10 as many times as your power says to do so. So my first example, which is 4 times 10 to the power of 2, I start off with my first number, which is 4, and then multiply it by 10 twice, meaning I get 2 zeros at the ends. This means 4 times 10 to the power of 2 as an ordinary number is 400. Now, the other questions get a little bit harder, but there is a little trick that we can notice. After the first digit of our answer, there should always be the same number of digits, so 2 in my example, as what we have as our power. This makes answering my second question a little bit easier. For this example, I'm going to start off with the digits that I have at the front, so that is 2 and 9. Next, because my power is 5, I'm going to count out 5 spaces after my first digit. So the 9 is my first one, and I get 2, 3, 4, 5 empty spaces. To get my final answer, any empty spaces need to be filled with a 0. Which means my final answer is 290,000. I can do the same thing for my final 2 examples. First, start off with the digits at the front, which in my third example is 7 and 1. Next, because my power is 3, count out 3 spaces after my first digit, so 1, 2 and 3. And any empty spaces I can fill with zeros, meaning my final answer is 7,100. For my last example, I'm going to start off with the digits 5, 0 and 3. Again, because my power is 4, I need to count out 4 spaces after my first digit, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I need to fill the empty spaces with zeros. That means that my final answer is 50,300.